Today is June 26, 2023. I stayed in Nederland, Colorado last night. This morning I got up and headed south from Nederland, from the Boulder Creek Lodge, down to Highway 72 through the Roosevelt National Forest. On South Beaver Creek Road, Gap Road, Twin Spruce Road, and then Cold Creek Canyon. First 15 miles was pavement before I found these dirt roads winding through the Roosevelt National Forest. Looking for Gross Dam Road, which I want to find here in just a little bit. Had to stop here and take a video and a few pictures of some really neat scenery. Here, of course, the Gross Dam Road. It went on for a good 15 to 20 miles. We're doing some construction, so I had to avoid some dump trucks occasionally. And at one point, I actually had to stop because of the construction. This is a reservoir there, the Gross Dam Reservoir. Finally found Flagstaff Road. Now I'm heading basically east towards Boulder. Flagstaff Road at some point and found this other dirt road. I really don't remember where I was. This Flagstaff Summit Road. Right up the top, they had a nice little park there. They had an amphitheater, basically made out of stone. It was kind of neat. And you could look down, as you'll see here in a minute, you could look down on the city of Boulder, Colorado. Here I'm on Boulder Canyon Drive. It's also Colorado Highway 119. This is the route that leads from Boulder up to Nederland. Very neat road winding up the side of the mountain through a canyon for the most part. Doing a U-turn here, as you can see. Look down at my Garmin, and the gravel route that I had originally intended on taking was north of where I was, so I headed down 4 Mile Canyon Drive. At this point, I was basically just looking at the Garmin and trying to navigate back west, looking for dirt roads along the way, of course. I thought this was Sunshine Canyon. I'm not so sure about that now. I think it's actually Gold Run Road, and I'm on my way to what I will soon learn to be is Gold Hill, which is a little community. Here's the thriving metropolis of Gold Hill. Once I get through the town here, I'm on Gold Hill Road, and I took that west good 10 miles of this dirt road back to Highway 72. And I turned left or south, made it back to Nederland. Did 73 miles is what I calculated for today. Just got back and hung out at the Boulder Creek Lodge and had some barbecue later. I'm going to wind up the video here on Gold Hill Road. I'm almost to Highway 72, again, where I'll take a left or go south back to Nederland. Thanks for riding along.